Good morning, everybody. It is 6:30. Kayak. We have reached the destination. This is, it's called Harmon Road. We're outside of Harmon Road. It's the bridge. This right here is the Green River. It doesn't look so green to me. And you might think that it's pretty shallow. It is. It is very shallow in some areas, and it's gonna be deep in some spots. But I didn't realize there's a lot of windmills around here. That's cool. And you can see something swimming right there. I'm gonna try to upload this in 4K so we can have the true beauty of this. Now I parked my car right there. It's still visible on the road, but I have to find there's some newspaper. I'm probably gonna have to walk across the bridge and go down. I mean, I could have parked on the road here, but we'll get the news out here in a minute. Apparently, it's really happening. And what I want to do is try to paddle upstream and paddle downstream some, because the distance between the next road and the other road is quite severe for me to walk kayak, and I don't just want to leave my kayak in the middle of the country and somebody be like, "Oh, there's a free kayak, I'm gonna steal it." No, you're not stealing my kayak. Alright, it's just a free stack of papers. And I noticed another one right there. So I'm gonna hoist it up. See the date on her. Somebody lost the newspapers. Hopefully, here's a muffler. Hopefully there won't be any snakes out. It is 39 degrees out. And additionally, I don't want any ticks. It does not look like it's old papers. Look at that. There's a sandy beach underneath. Huh. Well, free newspaper. The View is free. April 13th. It is not the 13th anymore. Wow. I'll leave her right there. Let's get on the other side. Some hot breakfast. Donuts and Pepsi again. Like that, it's a very cool 39 degrees outside today. Very, very cool. Wish I bought some gloves, but we'll manage. Now this is probably a path for farmers. And that's probably somewhere somebody just parks a truck and camps out here. Or they have a hidden trail. How likely will be passed by a farmer or so? 2, 3, who knows? Asking me what the bejesus I'm doing on their property. And what am I doing out here in Harmon, kayaking this river? They gotta have all these nosy people. Yeah, make sure I turn my lights off. Lights are still on. They'll go off in a few. Take the phone things, put them in. Try having a soda stay here again this time. Cool, 39 degrees. Now, let's see, can we come in on this side? We can come in on this side. Oh, yeah. Grassy. Let's walk. Yeah, we was let's have raccoons down here. I thought this was sandier than what it was. Huh. I don't know what I was thinking. Alright, boys and girls, I'm gonna go kayaking. Probably could have went the other way, across the bridge, but since this is closer, it's the route I chose. And it's quite a dip off there. Huh. Sometimes you have to use your oar, paddle, the walking stick. And we may just have to take the beaten path. There's some raccoon tracks down here. Hope my soda don't go too far. At this point, I probably could just sit my kayak down. I'm in a very, very awkward position. Oh. Yeah. I hooked it on that. I'm gonna lead her to the water. Go on. Don't be afraid. It's only 39 out. I really don't want to get in this buck. Get my breakfast. The life jacket. No. Come on, bro. Mud on the bottom of my feet. Just work with me here for a second. Alrighty. I may just have to get the mud on the bottom of my feet. I'm thinking the other route would have been better. Oh, all right. I'm going to put the life jacket on. I know I'm running into some DNR cops out here. Hey, we're in the water. I don't know when it stopped recording, but it did. Now let's go explore this Green River. I'm gonna go upstream, and then we'll go downstream. I'm gonna go upstream as much as possible. A little bit of current. I bet you there's probably some good fish in here. Look at this. I'm gonna have to get out of the main oil channel here. Get along the side to the left. It does have quite a bit of current behind it. Here we go. Look at this. I'm not going to say it's unexplored. I can guarantee you, not a lot of people do a lot of recording of the Green River. A lot of people come down the Green River for tubing. So you have one truck parked one at the end, and you get in the other end and float down. That's how it generally works. But I'm gonna go up a hair, and I'm gonna float back. There's no walking paths along the side, anything. And just remember I didn't lock my car. And it's not even a paddle deep, nor deep. So we're looking at like a foot water here at where I'm at. Like I said, it's very shallow. If I could have found my anchor, I would have just tossed it out. And we've just been sitting here floating, relaxing in the water. Let's get some pictures while we're here. I like getting pictures. Oh, what a glorious day. It's not the warmest, 39 degrees out. I don't know how far we're gonna go. We'll go away. Make it worthwhile. Man. Could just drift right back down. Don't even have to paddle. The current would just take us. I may do part of a live stream on that on Facebook and save the video. That way I'd have some people interested and see what I'm doing. I'm sure there's fish out here. That's gotta be. I don't know what kind. That's gotta be some fish. I get my polarized sunglasses on, see if I can see any fish. With it on, I can see to the bottom of it. It's very sandy. Very sandy looks. It might be 3 feet deep here, 2 feet deep in this one little area. I'm fighting most of the current. I think there's a bend up here, I believe. I'll show you where we've paddled from. That's it. That's all the further we've gone. So we need to paddle some more. Yeah. I'll catch you in a minute. Kind of wanted to show you this. These are little footprints over here. I believe of deer. These are larger. I must have some deer from down here. Appears to be 2 deer. Two-toed. There's some that are raccoon. This is very mucky stuff. Still basically from the cornfields and whatnot. It builds up. Over here, there's some beavers. See that? We got some damage right there. It's like something a beaver would do. Chew the bark. Yep. That's like it. Might be where the beaver dam is right here. A bunch of sticks piled up. Beer can. Yeah, this would be a cool little area to take and just park upstream and head downstream. Might have to find the area of the school of fish where stuff might be. It's so clear. Generally clear in the nest. You can always usually see the bottom of it. So if there's a downed tree somewhere, it would be ideal. It's so cold out, it'll be a gorgeous day. Oh, I said it was gorgeous earlier, it's pretty out. It's 39 degrees out today. April 24th, I believe. 25th. A Sunday. Got some foam going on here. I know there are carp in these backwaters like this. I know for sure. I've seen carp here. As far as other fish, I don't know. Can you imagine there probably is. Let's go up some more. See how fast this thing is just flowing. And next time I'll come out with a friend and we'll park away and paddle downstream. Maybe we'll get a group. That'd be cool. Kind of deep here. Whew. And we are not still far from the bridge, maybe 100 feet. This isn't that much of a struggle. I'm gonna go up to this tree and we're gonna turn around. I'm not gonna kill my shoulders. Cool in the shadows and the trees from the windmills. That's definitely unique. Oh man. Yeah, it's rock bottom here. I think I'm gonna pull off to the side somewhere. I just want to get up to this tree. This little weird one laying over. I did a Facebook Live going down. See if you have the video. Included on this one. I have me a donut and some drink. Fired up some sugar energy in me. Alright, we made it to the tree. Now I'm going to turn around. There's some small rapids here. Oh. And it just keeps going. So the Green River is actually like 99 miles long, or 90 miles long. That's not a good stick. Here, we'll turn around. I don't want to get shoved underneath the tree. I just want to do this. Maybe I'll just grab onto the tree here. Spin myself around. Be in this little cove area. That works. I'm gonna get bit by a rabid squirrel. Take some more photos. Good morning, Facebook. and all my friends and family. This is the Green River. Now, I'm sure a lot of you people up north know what this is. This Green River travels 90 miles, I think. A lot of times you don't even have to paddle. You just float downstream. You just kind of guide yourself down the water here. So, yeah. Definitely be a cool adventure for a group of people to park the vehicle way up and way down, and you just get in the water and you just kind of just go. And you don't have to paddle whatsoever. So I'm moving at a slightly cruising speed here. In many areas that you can access to it, like this bridge, where I was just at, paddling upstream. And I've probably spent the greater of 20 minutes paddling upstream. The current's that strong. But paddling downstream is not going to be anything. I don't know how much fish is in here. That I really don't care. It's just something to get your kayak in. Or tubing, people that do tubing. And you just float. Got all kinds of windmills. There's a windmill right there. And generate their electricity. We'll paddle down just a hair past this bridge. And then we'll come back up. There's some newspaper I want to get out of the water. It seemed like they were just dumped. Stupidly. I don't know why people would just dump things like that. I may have to take it home with. What a gorgeous day out. It's 39 degrees outside. Look at that. Yeah. Sun's out. Nice. And just put her feet up. You don't have to do anything. Don't tie your feet out on the rope. Sit back and relax. That's life. Water is cold. I don't want to get in it. Scenery's nice. We have nothing but trees most of the way. There's some areas that it kind of looks like a ditch, but most of it is just nothing but trees. Paddle this way up the hair. And it's bound up in the beaver dam or whatever this is. Nope, this is south side of Harmon. This is the Green River. This is the Green River travel. It's quite a ways, like 90 miles. You can get in at Amboy. There's several bridges you can get in Harmon area. I believe you could probably find it outside of Rock Falls, but its access is not that great from Route 30. Mostly kayaking. You're not going to get a boat in this. Too shallow. People do a lot of tubing on this river here, inner tubing, as it's start from a higher point and float down and drink beer and party, leave a bunch of trash behind, that kind of a deal. Figured I'd do a yeah, I would suggest it. There's nobody out here. You can get kayaks for about $100. This kayak here cost, I believe, $150. I've had it for 5 years. Got it off of Walmart.com, and it's showing its age, but it's lasted a long time. I don't have to worry about it rocking or flipping over. I've actually stood up in this. It's not the stablest one. It's got a wide bottom. It's meant for beginners. It's no speed, but it tracks just straight line, which is what you want if you're doing fishing. You want a wide bottom. You don't care about the speed too much. You can put a trolling motor to this if you wanted to. It's wide enough in areas. Put the battery behind you and just troll. There's something here, I believe, with the fish. I just saw the water just turn up a little bit. There's some areas in this it's like 3 feet deep that I've seen just in this little small, about 100, 200 feet section. And there's a lot of areas that are only not even a foot deep. Backwater's locking down, yeah. I wouldn't be afraid of taking this through there. I'm actually, probably next weekend, I'll probably take this up. That's an area called Cattail Slough, and it's right off the Mississippi River. And I plan on getting on Mississippi River there a little bit, just to paddle. This is where I climb down at. I don't know how far I'm actually going to go. I'm going to get away from this stick here. There's some newspapers. Sandy bottom, rock bottom there. Kind of wanted to get this area here. Ooh. It kind of gets fast in some areas. I won't say rapid, but it gets kind of fast. I'll get this newspaper out of here. I don't know, I'm going to put her on a bank somewhere. It doesn't belong in the river. Man. Put it up there, I guess. There's the donuts. Let's see, we'll paddle across stream and I'll put it on that sandy soil and I'll go back over that way. But that'll be out of the water for now. The sandy beach area here, you can see there's a bunch of kids that cooking. Then doing graffiti and whatnot. The one time the woods out here, they had a fire ring, and they actually had a campfire underneath there, camping out or something. You know, teenager stuff. Sit underneath the bridge to get drunk. As you can see, I'm gonna stand up. And I'm not gonna get that, because that's like muck. And standing up in the kayak here. That's it. That's not too much stimulus. I need my sunglasses. Yep, it's sunglasses. Now let's see it. I'm gonna make the plunge. Oh, knock the wind out. Oh, that is cold, cold water. Whew. Okay. Free toilet paper. Yeah, there's all kinds of free toilet paper on this side too. I found more. I don't know how much further I'm actually gonna go because the stream here it takes a minute to paddle back up. It really moves. I may paddle some, but it's kind of a struggle to come back upstream here. It's gorgeous. And definitely would do this if I had more people and had another vehicle down the road. It's, you know, do 10 miles. At this speed, who cares? You're gonna go. You'll make it take you like 3-4 hours. Are you cruising? The old tractor. Farmer. Probably wondering what the car is doing there. Yeah, don't get out, bro. Unless I'm blocking his entrance. I don't think I am. Like, why do you have to get close? And I parked off in the grass too. Oh well. Well, I'm gonna get up on this side now that I know the other side's mucky. In short, this is what it is. It's Green River. Not a lot of people get on it except for tubing and drinking. Kayaking, I don't think there's not a whole lot of people to kayak it. Hardest spot would be taking in and getting out. People that are older have to find an access point. But keep where I came in at. Right here by this green pipe. This is probably straight from the field. Yep. So I'm gonna get out. I might hit another spot on the way home. But yeah, if anybody's interested in going down the Green River, doing some kayaking, let me know. It is a nice day out. It's right outside of Harmon here. A little chilly, it's 39. But you can't beat that sunlight. Thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you next time. Another place. Alright. Time to get out. Oh man. I need it to be a little bit shallower. Made it feel more comfortable. Standing up in a kayak here. Especially when I'm standing alone. Oh. Okay. There. That's better. Now we gotta climb out of this. Getting down with the easy part. Getting up gonna be the hard part. Alright. Oh. This one got a rope. Slide her on up. I think this would be a cool place to take a picture real quick. Alright folks, I hope you enjoyed this short little trip here, the Green River. It's definitely nice out. Definitely a cool place to do a tubing or kayaking on a warmer day. It'd be excellent. Cruise down the water here. But today, it's not that day. It is definitely cold. Now we gotta walk back up. this steep incline right there. So, yeah. That's what it's like. Fishing the river, Green River. I'm gonna go down and fetch the rest of these. And I'll dispose of them. I'll put them in my trunk and throw them away when I get home. I try to set this up here like that. Yeah. Maybe I'll walk on the other side. Maybe not. Probably would have been better from the opposite side. Yeah. Not going down here. I don't want to leave the kayak here by itself, unattended. Okay, I moved the car some, so this tractor guy comes back. I won't be in his way. I'll go get the rest of the newspaper. I'm going on the wrong side of the bridge. I mean, this road here is not, it's traveled, but it's not like it's the main road through town. Town's not that big, but it's not like it's, there's 150 people that live here, and they don't have a lot of traffic. Alrighty. Well, what I thought would have been easier, nothing but grass, and hopefully we don't run into some snakes. Yeah, I don't have my snake's tool. I'm not worried about too much stuff, but I definitely don't want to get bit. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so there's a large pile of poop here, and I don't know if that's bear poop. That's an awful dark poop. I don't want no mountain lion. I know we don't have cougars here, but we do have mountain lions, but I never know. Yeah, so this is the sandy soil here, backfilled with concrete, rock, and stuff. And here's the newspapers. $52 of 85. The other bundle is over there. As far as I can care, that's where it can stay. We clean most of the crap out. Let me get this last little scrap. Alright. Don't leave any trace behind. Discard any garbage. This won't happen. Well, that was cool. Somebody just is hauling fast across the bridge here. I don't know what the hell was. Oh, it's the car now. So, I did good. Four bundles of newspaper, not counting the other. At least it's out of the water. That's what we got today. Out of the garbage. out of the water. Put it in the trunk area. I try to. Out the hallway when I get down. There. Now I'm happy. No more crap. That would be a cool place to, camp out. Well, we'll see you guys.